The Governor-General has intervened in the controversy surrounding the appointment of an acting Chief Justice.
A statement this afternoon from King's House said Sir Patrick Allen last Friday convened a tripartite meeting with representatives of the executive, legislative and judicial branches of the government, following a written request from Prime Minister Andrew Holness.
But even as on the heels of the King's House statement, there's still no timeline for the full appointment of the Chief Justice, some 22 days after he was appointed to act until further notice. TVJ's Vashon Brown has more.
It's been making headlines for weeks, the appointment of an acting Chief Justice. In a statement on Thursday, King's House said the Governor-General met with representatives of the three branches of government last Friday. The Governor-General noted that the meeting was called to address recent developments and allay anxieties that the public may have. The executive was represented by the Prime Minister, the Ministers of Finance and the Public Service, National Security, Justice and the Attorney General. The legislature was represented by the Speaker of the House of Representatives and the President of the Senate. The judiciary by the acting Chief Justice, the President of the Court of Appeal, the senior and other puisne judges. According to King's House, the meeting was intended to explore ways in which each of the branches of government can collaborate and support the smooth operation of the country's governance structure and provide the best service to the people of Jamaica. The Prime Minister requested the meeting of the three branches in response to what the King's House release called a perceived threat to the independence of the judiciary. The Prime Minister reiterated that the executive had no intention of undermining or diminishing the role of the judiciary and that his primary interest is to ensure that all of government works in the best interest of the people and that public resources are efficiently used and properly accounted for. The judiciary declared that the three branches of the government were separate but not separated, equal and independent in their core functions, while acknowledging that all branches had to work together. They agreed that the meeting allowed for misunderstandings to be cleared up on major issues of concern in a manner that does not bring the judiciary into disrepute and kept it beyond reproach. Vashon Brown, TVJ News.